Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at a great product that we work with here at AGMS called Ecwid. So you can find them at ecwid.com, that's Ecwid, and essentially what it is the fastest, easiest way to get up and running with online sales. So allowing restaurants and retailers to accept online payments and just collect customers from all different methods other than just walking in the store, right? So you can set up an online store to connect to your website. You can set online stores via social media as well. So there's some really great ways to connect to Instagram and to Facebook through Ecwid. So this is just a quick look at their offerings here. So you can sell, like I said, website, Instagram, Facebook, Google Shopping, Amazon, and then they also have some POS and mobile options as well. You can market those products that you're selling online through some of their tools that they have to get the messages out for any new sales that you might be offering, free delivery, whatever you have. And then, of course, you have the ability to manage your store, create the store, give it the right look, the right feel that you want to get out there. But the best part is, especially for those businesses that don't have an online solution at the moment, Ecwid is so easy to set up. You can set up an online store. It might take you 15 or 20 minutes to just get something online. And by the end of the day, I mean, you could have a really fantastic web presence and online store for your customers to come visit and make orders without actually having to walk into your place of business. So definitely take a look at Ecwid. They have a really great pricing structure, upfront, easy to understand. The free plan is where I would obviously start just to take a look at it, and then you can go up from there. $15 a month, $35 and $99 a month at the time of this video recording, and you can see all the different features that each plan comes with. So you can upgrade to actually sell on Facebook and Instagram, for example. How it works with conjunction with AGMS is you would set up a credit card processing account through AGMS. We'll get you set up with the gateway, and then the gateway just connects right to the back end of the Ecwid software. So no heavy development work or anything for the business. It's just we'll set you up with a processing account. We'll get the right gateway in your hands, and then you connect the gateway to the back of your Ecwid account, and that is that. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to us here at agms.com. Get in touch with your local AGMS sales representative, or give us a call at the home office, 866-951-2467, to learn how AGMS can help you get online processing transactions for your customers via the web or via social media through this awesome partner of ours, Ecwid. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.